In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. My name is NA Saqib. I'm your Usman to IELTS trainer. Quite recently, we've started uploading videos on speaking subtest of the IELTS. Today, I'm going to give you some simple questions and their answers of part 3 of the speaking module. So, I've got with me today Ibn Babar. How are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah.
Oh, thank you very much indeed. God bless you. And my questions would be like this. But before giving you the questions, simple questions of part 3, I will let you know about the part 2 topic. It was describe your latest interest in travel in detail. You know, since the part 2 and 3 are related, are connected with each other, so the part 3 questions would be relating the traveling. Let's get started. What's your goal and reason to travel?
I enjoy traveling a lot. It's an incredible way to see how people live and to learn about different cultures and their heritage and architecture, lifestyle, and living standard of other people. That's why I'm a huge fan of traveling in my own country and abroad.
That's lovely. And describe the advantage and disadvantage of travel for the country.
I guess the only disadvantage of the travel for the country is the sometimes we still destroy the cultural heritage. Other than that, traveling is beneficial for the country, especially tourism is a very useful source of foreign exchange and foreign currency as it's the major source of economic growth for the country.
Absolutely. Compare the difference between traveling among Pakistani people between 100 years ago and now.
Transportation was very difficult 100 years ago because a very few people can travel as they were really poor. But now transportation is easy and convenient and we now have more money to travel. Furthermore, now there are more sightseeing attractions in my own country and people have more financial resources to spend on themselves.
That's lovely. Thank you very much indeed. So she answered, tried her level best to give the answer to the questions being asked in part 3. I hope these answers, the simple answers, are going to give you a lot of benefit. So thank you very much indeed of watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore, for more informative videos regarding IELTS and spoken English. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.